To start the morning with great thoughts, thought and spell and our name, I would like to invite Aditya to share with us thought of the day. My name is Aditya. Today I am going to say that success is main important in our life. Can you what that can our and inspire our thoughts? I invite Anvika to share word of the day. Today's word of the day is practical as now 20 years. Meaning accepted, recognized, used to consider realized. Example, he was recognized about trying to get food steps.
Repeat again. Repeat again.
I repeat it again. O-P-E-N S-Y-S-E-D. Open-minded. The current happening is a good habit. It helps us stay accurate and our knowledge. Would please come forward and let us with current happening around us. We are going to say news. PM Modi to inaugurate ICS Global Cooperative Conference on November 25. 82 young guys to be transferred to Astar Bismillah Kanura Prasthana to test your general knowledge. Towards today's discussion is brought to you by Aravita from Hazel. Question for grade 1. Which India festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Diwali. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 2. What is the capital of Telangana? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Hyderabad. Let us appreciate that. Question for grade 3. Which India state is known as the land of rising sun? Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, you picked the right answer. Now I am going to make sentence with sing. Venugopal sings
Venugopal sings.
Venugopal sings when Venugopal stands when